everyone, it's Kathy and welcome back here to my YouTube channel, Kathy's Random Acts of Stampin'. Today is Halloween, but the scary part is if you miss out on this wonderful deal that Stampin' Up! Has going on right now. The starter kit special. Now, first and foremost, let me say that you can be a kit snatcher. You do not have to sell Stampin' Up! You don't have to do anything. You can grab this kit and get either 35% off of the regular price that's $99. Normally you pay $99, free shipping, only the sales tax in your state, and the the kit, whatever you choose in your kit, and you get to choose your product. So say, for example, you have had your eye on a lot of the new products in the mini catalog, maybe some of the new stuff on the online exclusives. You can choose anything that's available and put it in your kit, okay? So 35% off means that you will, you'll pay, the normal price would be $99 for $125 worth of product. But because it's 35% off, you can get that $125 worth of product for $64.35. That is a deal. Say you want to you want to spend the $99, what the kit would normally cost. Well, then you're going to get 35% more product in your kit. So your kit will cost you $99, free shipping plus your state tax, and you'll get $168.75. That is a lot of product. You can, if you've had your eyes on some things in the new catalog, like I said, even in the annual catalog or on the online exclusives, this is a great time to build your kit. If you are interested in this, reach out to me today, because today is absolutely the last day. This ran from October 3rd through October 31st. So if you miss out on doing this today, this is one of the most, I guess the most that they've ever offered in a starter kit. Now, getting back to what your obligations are, they're none. You have nothing that you have to do. You can be a kit snatcher. That means you order it, you pay that price, you stay as a demonstrator for 3 months. If you don't make any orders, you don't place an order, after that, it's okay. You'll drop off of my team at the end of the 3-month period if no orders have been placed. But let's say that you want to stay in just for the discount. You do not have to do what I do. You don't have to book parties. You don't have to do YouTube videos. You don't have to do promos. You can be a hobbyist. There's so many. Most of the girls that's on my team are hobbyists. They don't sell the stuff. They are in it for the discount for themselves. And you're probably asking, well, how much do I need to buy to stay in the program? Well, it's $300 a quarter to stay up to date. They will let that roll over to the following month. So say, for example, you only meet $75. You only buy $75 that first month. Well, then the following month, you would need to spend $125. Say you don't spend $125, then that would roll over. Say you spend $100. So that $25 would roll over to the next month. So then you would need the $125 to complete that $300 in 3 months. It's really not hard to do if you buy a lot of crafting supplies. And we all as crafters love our supplies and our tools and our beautiful papers and matching cardstocks and color-coordinated inks and markers and alcohol blends and all of the things that Stampin' Up! Has that color coordinate. So this is one of the best offers that they've ever had as far as the kit goes. So if you're interested, reach out to me today. My phone number and my email address will be below this video. If you have any questions, just give me a call. That's also my cell number, so you can send me a text and give me a time that would be good to talk, and I'll call you back. So it's totally up to you how you want to reach out to me, but I'm here for you. I don't want anyone to miss out on this tremendous deal, because it is a great time to join Stampin' Up! Or just to come in and snatch this kit. So I wanted to put that out there so everybody would know. I hope everyone has a blessed day. If you have any questions about this, please reach out to me before the end of the day. I love you guys so much. And until next time, remember what I always say. Let everything that you say and do bring glory to our Lord Jesus. He is worthy. So until next time, bye-bye. Take care.